I thought I'd show you a little more Damascus. Down this way is the post office and the old mill, which is really good food there. Nice sit down, have a nice dinner. But I would recommend making reservations because they're very busy. Heading north, you'll be coming in this way where these hikers are going. Trail Town, USA. Then you'll have a pizza shop here on the corner. It's a new place. Then you have Adventure Damascus Outfitters right here. And down the way is another outfitter, but I'll show you that then. Coming up to Mount Rogers. Outfitters. Right down the street from Adventure Outfitters. Thrift store right over there. Trail Art. Over here, Dragonfly Inn. This is the Dancing Bear Bed and Breakfast. This is River's Edge Lodging. Riverside View, nightly and weekly rates. I was staying at Crazy Larry's. Had a good experience there. He's a very nice, unique guy. Likes to talk, but that's cool. It was nice getting to know him a little bit. Hot breakfast, scrambled eggs, pancakes, sausage, toast. Coffee, orange juice, milk. You can't beat the breakfast. A couple places where you can rent bikes. Well, there's a lot of places in Damascus. Here's one. And then back over there you can probably see a blue sign. They run them over that way too. So you can ride the creeper trail. So, I gotta give a shout out to Margaret. Sorry I missed you in Damascus. Would have been cool to hang out with you. And shout out to all the subscribers I met at Trail Days. It was nice meeting y'all. Yeah, Trail Days was awesome. Thank you to all your new subscribers. Oh, you guys mean a lot to me. Here's Appalachian Trail Town Inn. Another place to stay. Shuttle Shack. Back there, a white building. Shuttles and bike rentals. Okay, so you turn right on Douglas Drive. Just keep following the trail. He's right on the trail. See the blaze? And this is Crazy Larry's setup. Okay. Come bring you in here and I'll show you my room. But you got seating area out front and out back. Few beds in this area. I suppose on a private room. Yep, I got a new one. My size, trying it out. Cutting the weight. But yeah, this is nice. Got a good rest. See if I can't show you some more. Okay, so they got a sitting area with TV. You get on your Netflix. And a covered area to sit. Sitting area out in the yard there.
Oh, do you want a private room or a bed?
Kitchen area.
Okay, no. That's not a private room.
And that's about it.
I got my side of the room.
So I'm going to be leaving out of here soon, so I will talk to y'all later. Here's Snake 3. I don't know what kind he is. I'm waiting for him to get off of the road. About how far away I am. Snake 3, unknown species. Nice and cool right here. And you can take a shower. Alright everybody, I'll get back with you later. Okay. I don't want to get too close. I don't know the situation here.
I don't think they move that fast, do they?
Huh?
I don't think they move that fast.
Is it a black snake?
They're black.
I don't know if they're the same kind.
It looks like they are.
There's two of them here.
It looks like they're possibly mating.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know. I've never seen snakes, but
Do that.
I thought they were eating from a distance, but they're both the same size.
Yeah.
And I see two bodies, unless that's like a 6-foot-long snake.
Yeah, we don't know what's going on here. Okay, morning everybody. I'm just leaving Lost Mountain Shelter. I have my tent up right here, back in this area around these trees. There's a shelter down there. Some people there, but we're heading this way, going to the next shelter. So it's going to be a big day for me. They have a lot of tenting, pretty good tenting spots here. Got privy, water isn't far. Just be careful if it's windy. We had a tree fall last night. So we'll talk to y'all later. So I came up this trail. Look at this forest. I mean, these trees are tall. It's cool. Just wanted to show that to you. Looks like there's a couple camp spots back in through the woods there. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Okay, well I'm going to get going. Talk to you later. I'm going to get a little video here, a little clip of the view, because it may be going away. So I thought I'd stop here. Get a shot of this. Okay. I'm almost to the top of this mountain. And I think there's going to be ponies up here. So we'll see. See you later. Well, I got up over that rock, over that mountain. It's not Grayson Highlands. Some people were talking about that coming up, but I don't think that's for a little bit. And this is what the trail is looking like so far. It was really windy up there on top, and it was pretty foggy. So I got, I think, 7 miles to the next shelter. So I'm going to put some miles in. If I see anything interesting, I will show you. Forest is just a little misty. Alright, we'll talk to you later. Came up into this pasture. Got some clouds moving across the mountains there. Pretty nice view. Alright, I'm gonna get going.